come out, you get your own video, you do video. Ooh. You see, man, if you be woman, whether you fine, you fine past me, I don't care. Now my own thing I they do. Me, I know they care about you. I don't care about you. I don't care what you think. I don't care whether you now my own. Cause they say person when you know value it thing. If you know, if you say me, I find pass you. I find pass anybody. Yes. If you feel say you still find pass me, that's your own. I don't care about yours. I only care about me. If you say okay, your butt is fresh. Some people will say my belly flat pass your own, my butt fine pass your own. Bring her now. Your baby papa will agree. When a baby papa when they control your life like remote, if they do your life like this, sit down here, pam, you go press her like this, go there, pam, you go agree. I get husband, and I do what I want. Okay? I know girl na kind of baby papa when they press on like remote. Now did this ordinary live video, some of their baby papa not the agreement they do. Ordinary TikTok, the baby papa will say, oh yeah. I'm a biok ya fe talk on the other day. I don't get like on a baby papa. So that's why I go I don't get some when they say do here, sit down there, not go here. Let me some of the data say she not get husband, she not get this, she not get the fucker. If you see who they fuck me, your baby papa, he's so dirty. He dirty. Don't worry. Very soon, if I like, we will see whether your baby papa will stand. I don't man, I don't they fuck. They fuck. I fuck when I want to fuck. You feel me? Whether your baby papa will stand there. You see dick. You'll see all like this. Now what 2021 went as well, is going to red. It's going to be red. No Nigerian man go fuck you. No Nigerian man go Now that kind your own, those kind your own. Maybe more any. Go now, no. Now better one. Woo! Now worry. Drop my video right now. And they look you so. Oh yeah. Go and tag Orange Gist. Before I have this video, I want you to go to that page. Follow me on my IG right away. Follow me on my IG. Kama. I see you there. Follow me on my IG right away. Follow me. We are going to be coming. No carry my video again. When I tell they do, because all my people here, they will follow me, go there. We want to be coming, we want to be enjoying. They no one see their face for outside. Go carry person video, come put in face for outside without the person permission. It's not, don't try it, eh? Don't try that. And they come with my people. We'll bend. You know? And finish. I'm saying you can't go there. You know shame. You know the shame or you know the shame. You look like a person with the shame. Follow me on my Instagram right away. You never follow Sarah T Boss. Is on the I put it on the on the comment section. On the comment section, y'all look there. Sarah T Boss. Sarah T Boss. Let's go and do our thing. We'll go do our coming things. Where are my guys there? Where are my all my boss? All my robots, all my where there? One a day. Oh, go Instagram. This video, yeah, you put on here, make a wonder. This video now for the money because we also enter 2021. So if they want me, they know they see their page, they fall like paper. May they not go the other one name. All the live video presenter. They could know they carry their video, they add their name. If you know say the person know they do video, okay, fine. You know, say the person now get page, you get Instagram, you get YouTube. Una wicked. So that wicked no now begin to see now. Because you guys are so wicked. You think I want my page to grow. I want my Instagram to grow. I want my YouTube to grow. But una won't grow now. Una won't use the people video one at the carry. Take una don't even promote